regularly, and all we do on this channel is to break down the hardest mathematical questions, reveal tricks that can help you tackle them all. In today's video, we're dealing with indices as a topic. We've actually done a part 1 to this video. This is a follow-up to that video, and then we had to review the rules for solving questions on indices. We won't be doing that again. We'll just be going straight to solving this question on the board. It's actually a past question from an international exam. It says 3 raised to the power 1 minus x is all over 9 raised to the power minus 2x is equal to 1 over 9. We are told to solve for x. So remember that in indices, for the rules to work, you must have the same base. And in this question, the bases are 3, 9, and 1 over 9. So the first thing is to convert the bases so that they are similar or they are the same. So let's quickly rewrite this question. We'll rewrite it. It says 3 raised to the power 1 minus x divided by, that is 9 raised to the power minus 2x. So 9, for it to be a similar base with this, 3 raised to the power 2 gives us 9. That's 3 times 3 gives us 9. So let's rewrite that. So we have 3 raised to the power 2, that is 9. Then we have our minus 2x, which is still outside. Do you see what we just did? Alright. Then we have it is equal to what? 1 over 9. 1 over 9. Alright. So in this case here, we can see that the bases are now the same. The second rule of indices I gave you in the previous video can apply now. So we pick one of the bases, which is 3, and then since there is a division sign, we just subtract the powers. So we pick this, we have 1 minus x, then this division sign means minus. But take note, please, let's break this down first before we get what to fix here. So these two outside multiplied by this minus 2x will give us minus 4x. So please take note that there is a minus outside which is from this division. But then we are going to still have another minus from this part, which gives us what? An open bracket minus 4x is equal to 1 over 9. Let's still leave that for now. Okay, so let's break this down. This becomes 3, 1 minus x, minus multiplied by minus. There's a rule in mathematics that says that minus multiplied by minus gives us what? Plus. And then this is 4x is equal to, okay, at this point we can change this. The rule on indices that has to do with inverse says that when you have this, it can also be written as this, 9 raised to the power minus 1. Alright, we are going somewhere with that. So let's quickly bring this down. We have 3 here, and we have 1 minus x plus 4x. So 1 minus x plus 4x. Let's write our 1 out. 1. And we have minus x plus 4x. What that simply implies is that the way we explain it to young children is that you are owing 1 naira and then you have 4 naira to pay. So when you pay the 1 naira you are owing, you won't be owing anymore. It means you now have 3 naira. So that will mean plus 3x is equal to, if you want to change this 9 raised to the power minus 1 to be a base similar to this, we'll be having 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by minus 1. So this 9 just simply changed to 3 raised to the power 2, and your minus 1 is still out here. Alright? At this point, you can see that the rule on equality too comes into play, because then we have the same base out here, the same base out here, so their powers can be equated. So that simply means 1 plus 3x is equal to, this is what? 2 multiplied by 1, which gives us minus 2. Sorry, 2 multiplied by minus 1 gives us minus 2. Please be careful of the signs, because if these signs are misplaced or displaced, it could actually affect your entire result. At this point, we collect like terms. This one has x. There's no other number here that has x, so it is just the 1 and 2 that needs to meet each other. So if this 1 crosses the equal to sign to this part, it becomes minus 1, because here it is plus 1. So we are left with 3x is equal to minus 2, and this minus 1 is crossing, so it becomes minus 2 minus 1. Alright, so our 3x here is equal to minus 3. Let me use this part to finish up. Please, we're going to manage the board. I don't want to wipe off, so that you can review in case you want to check again. So 3x is equal to minus 2 minus 1. Means you are owing 2 naira, you are owing 1 naira, so you are still owing. Eventually becomes minus 3. So 3x is equal to minus 3. For us to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3, which is the coefficient of x, and our x becomes minus 1, because 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Easy, isn't it? If you have watched this video this far, like we always say, please do well to like our video, like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is one way you can encourage YouTube to show this video to others who are in need of it. Till we meet again, this is Mass is Fun with Ogali. Bye!